This exhibition is the product of a multi-year collaboration between the Clyfford Still Museum and Colville Confederated Tribes in eastern Washington state. Clyfford Still spent 3 summers with Colville community in the mid-1930s as a young art professor at Washington State College. Still developed relationships with the Colville people and landscape and created more than 100 sketches, paintings, and photographs during his time there. In an effort to build connections with communities critical to Still's success, we began working with Colville tribal representatives to learn more about this part of our collection.
Our partners invited us to collaborate with tribal youth. They were familiar with Clyfford Still Art in the Young Mind, an exhibition Bailey and I co-curated with young children, and hoped to offer a similar opportunity in their community. We collaborated with children ages 3 to 14 and teachers from 3 schools on every aspect of the exhibition, from artwork selection and exhibition design to interpretation and interactive elements. Installed across all 9 galleries, Tell Clyfford highlights 6 themes chosen by our incredible young co-curators, sharing their perspectives on Still's work and its connections to their lives, ancestors, and homeland.